Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 HZXVOGEN welding machine. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As item number 3, we've selected the 110 volts / 220 volts HZXVOGEN welding machine. Product details. Brand name, HZXVOGEN. Weight, 16.5 kg. Wire feeding speed, 3 to 18 meters per minute. Model number, HBM 2280. Dimensions, 50 x 28-27 centimeters. Usage, welding. Welder function, MIG, TIG/ARC 3-in-1. Welding machine, fit gas and gasless welding. Item number 2 is a 110 volts / 220 volts HZXVOGEN MIG 185 2 semi-automatic welding machine. Product details. Brand name, HZXVOGEN. Weight, 7 kg. Wire feeding speed, 3 to 18 meters per minute. Model number, MIG 185 2. Dimensions, 47 x 29-35 millimeters. Usage, welding. Welder input current, 10160A. Welding wire diameter, 0.60.8/1.0 millimeters. Welding rod diameter, 2.5/3.2 millimeters. On the top of our list at number 1 we have 220 volts HZXVOGEN MIG welder MIG 145. Product details. Brand name, HZXVOGEN. Weight, 7.5 kg. Wire feeding speed, 3 to 18 meters per minute. Model number, MIG 145. Dimensions, 42 centimeters 27 centimeters 30.5. Usage, MIG welding. MIG welder frequency, 50/60 Hz. MIG welding machine output current, 3130A. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.